Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? Now it's English period, and today we are going to solve the exercise of unit number 9, Beauty and the Beast, part 1. First of all, comprehension question number 1. How many characters are in the room at the start of the play? Who are they? The answer of this question is there are 7 characters in the room at the start of the play. They are the merchant, Jack, Joseph, George, June, and Beauty. What work does the merchant do? The answer of this question is the merchant owns a warehouse. He imports things to sell. Who is the most hardworking of the children? Beauty is the most hardworking of the children. She is always busy, such as when she is cooking for everyone while they are doing nothing. What is the first misfortune that the family suffers? The first misfortune that the family suffers is that the merchant's warehouse burns down. What is the second piece of bad news for the family? The second piece of bad news for the family is that the ship full of the merchant's new goods to sell sinks. Where do the sons and the father go and why? The sons and the father go to find some work because there is no work where they are. What do June and April ask their father to bring them? June asks her father to bring them new clothes and April asks him to bring them some jewelry. What does Beauty ask her father to bring? Beauty asks for her father's safe return on a rose. What makes the beast angry? The beast is angry because the merchant has entered his garden and picked a rose. Next question. What was the reaction of 3 daughters when they heard the news that the merchant's goods had been lost at sea? What does this tell us about them? The answer of this question is April and June were concerned about the jewels and dresses they would not be able to have, whereas Beauty commented that the news was terrible. Jewels and new dresses are not essential items. The more serious issue was that their father's business was ruined. This tells us that April and June are selfish. Beauty seemed more concerned about her father, which tells us that she is a caring person. In what ways is Beauty a good person? Beauty is a good person because she is kind, helpful, and thinks of others. For example, she made her father some tea because he looked weary. She also asked for something simple, a rose. Also, her brother Jack defends her when her sisters are being unkind. Which of these statements are true? The merchant had 3 daughters and 3 sons. This is true. The merchant stores only vegetables and fruits in his warehouse. False. Beauty made tea for her father because he was thirsty. False. He was look weary. Jack agreed to go with his father. No. False. The merchant and his son found a castle in the forest. True. Next question. Answer the question about these lines from the play. Yes, yes, if I returned and if I have some money. Who speaks 3 words and to whom? The merchant says these words to April and June. Where is the speaker planning to go and why? He is planning to go away to find some work. There is no work available where they are. What is the speaker promising to do? He promises to bring April and June new jewelry and new clothes. What does the speaker say after this and to whom does he address his words? The speaker says, and what about you, Beauty? What would you like me to bring you? Next, he addresses his words to Beauty. Next exercise. Find words in the story which have the same meaning as the following. First word is possessing. OWNING. Owing. Storeroom. WARE. Where. HOUSE. Warehouse. Gimmick. THICK. Thick. Ash. CINDER. Cinder. Secure. SAFE. Save. Hardship. DIFFICULTY. Difficulty. The next is follow these instructions and complete the crossword. Read the clues numbered 2-6. Write the words all from the play in the cross grid. Find the word in the play with the letter B in it. Write in the first line of the cross grid. Write a clue for the word in the space provided A. To treat mercifully, यहाँ पे just A एंड B ही आएगा और सेकेंड वन में SPARE. Spare. Third, to have the money and means to do something. AFFORD. Afford. Next, wealth and riches. TREASURE. Prayer. Next, a confused noise. COMMOTION. Commotion. Not beautiful. Displeasing. Pleasing to the eye. UGLY. Ugly. Next is see if you can add the correct prefix un or dis to the following. Prefix में हमने क्या लगाना है? un या dis लगाना है. सबसे पहले यहाँ पे हैप्पी है तो unhappy, agree, disagree, please, displease, appear, disappear, believe, disbelieve, allowed, disallowed, appoint, disappoint, clear, unclear, attached, unattached, satisfy, dissatisfy, honest, dishonest, able, unable, limited, unlimited, certain, uncertain, educated, uneducated. Present participles. Underline the present participle in the following sentences. Say whether they are used as verbs or adjectives. If they are used as verbs, put a circle around the object. If they are used as adjective, draw a box around the noun they are described. सबसे पहले देखें, वन डे आई सा अ मैन रीडिंग अ बुक. अब रीडिंग क्या है? रीडिंग वर्ब है. आई सा एन अदर मैन पॉइंटिंग अ वॉल. पॉइंटिंग क्या है? सॉरी, पेंटिंग वर्ब है. द मैन रीडिंग अ बुक वॉज स्टैंडिंग अप. रीडिंग क्या है? वर्ब है. और स्टैंडिंग अप क्या है? एडजेक्टिव है. द मैन रीडिंग अ बुक was using a magnifying glass. रीडिंग क्या है यहाँ पे? वर्ब है. और मैग्नीफाइंग जो है वो एडजेक्टिव के तौर पे यूज़ हुआ है. द मैन पेंटिंग द वॉल was using an old rooting brush. पेंटिंग क्या है? वर्ब है. और रूटिंग क्या है? ये एडजेक्टिव है. Suddenly I saw a fierce dog running towards them. रनिंग जो है ये वर्ब के तौर पे यूज़ हो रहा है. The men saw the dog approaching them. अप्रोचिंग क्या है यहाँ पे? वर्ब है. They began to run, leaving their things on the ground. Leaving verb. The dog went to sleep. Went क्या है? वर्ब है. तो आज तक के लिए इतना ही. उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो इसको ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और लाइक भी कीजिएगा. नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.